Hi guys, Usam here from Unify U, and today I'm going to unbox Bluetooth speaker. Brand is Bluedio and the model is TS4 4th generation superior version. Okay, so first, what is the specs of the speaker? We have tilt the camera a bit. It's fine now. We have Bluetooth version 4.2 drivers. I don't know what it is. Standby time is about 650 hours, which is very impressive. But the music talk time is 16 hours. It's fine, of course. The output is 65 milliwatt plus I don't know what it is. Some Chinese. Okay, what we have the specs of this Bluetooth speaker. We have a rotatable design, active noise cancellation, so you cannot hear voice from outside while listening to your music. Remote call, you can listen to call as well. And rechargeable battery. The battery is very impressive, like 16 continuously hour of talk time or music. What we have? We have a pause play button here, LED indicator, MF button. I don't know what is MF button. Okay, ANC stands for anti-noise cancellation. Yes. Here. Volume keys here, charging connector, audio jack, microphone. Fine. What we have inside the box is a Bluetooth speaker, sorry, headphone, a bag for carrying this, user manual, 3.mm type C audio cable, and a type C charging cable as well. Okay, so let's unbox this box. Wow, it's very beautiful. Inside we have a box, a beautiful matte finishing box. You can see the branding here. Nothing else. Wow. The version T4. We have a bag, a carrying bag of very good material. I like this stuff. What we have inside the box? Yes, we have a charging cable, type C cable for the charging purpose of this headphone, a 3mm jack, and a type C to listen the audio from directly from your PC or laptop. And we have a box here, some user manual. Don't need to read this. Finally, we have a premium looking Bluetooth headphone. Wow, it's shiny. It's shiny, it's classy, it's comfortable. Foam here, so you can put it on your ears for hours with ease, of course. On the top of it we also have foam. It's very comfortable. Turbine. Okay, the specs we read the movable, the foldable headpiece. As you can see, it is foldable. Okay, what we have a branding of the name Bluedio. Here we have ANC, like active noise cancellation button, on and off, but this is not the power button, it is for the ANC button. Here we have a volume key, up and down. On the other side we have nothing. We have all button here. Okay, we have a power button here and some other button. I don't know what is this. They say the MF button. Okay, I don't have an idea of what is MF button. but we have a power button here. The special feature of this headphones is that it can connect two devices simultaneously, like a phone and laptop, and two phones as well. Let's power it on. You can listen.
Ready to pair.
This device is ready for pairing. Of course, I cannot give you the review of the sound on the speaker of my phone, of course, but I listen to this speakers headphones. It's very good. It's very good quality. The ANC button, it's a nice function, but for me, I have like no changes in sound when I turn it on or off. But the phone is very good. The distance is very good. The Bluetooth is 4.2, as I showed you before. It's 4.2. So the Bluetooth range is very good. Only one drawback of this speaker of this headphone, sorry, is that the sound leakage. Like if you are turn the volume very loud, the sound will leak, and the other sitting beside you can listen to your song or music. So I have only cons of headphone there. So I received many comments about to unbox this device, so I unbox it, and my reviews for this headphone is very good, like 9 out of 10. For the battery is very good, the sound is very good. Only the problem is that the sound leakage, but it is very comfortable on your head. You can never tired of wearing this. The finishing, the design, the battery life, the boxing, the price is very good. I ordered it from aliexpress.com in sale. It cost me around $24. Yes, I'm not kidding, $24. But the original price of this headphone is like $60. So if you are getting a nice headphone in $60, go for it. Okay guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Peace.